Very good morning to all of you. I am Ashish Nima, Assistant Professor in Madhyanchal Professional University in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. In today's class, we discuss about Maxwell bridge. Maxwell bridge is basically classified in two parts. First one is Maxwell inductance bridge, and second one is Maxwell inductance capacitance bridge. Okay? In this class, we discuss about Maxwell bridge, or it is also called Maxwell inductance bridge. With the help of this bridge, we can find out the value of unknown inductance L1. In this bridge, it consists four branches. With the help of balance condition, we can compare each branch with another branch, and with the help of this, we can find out the value of unknown inductance L1. In this bridge, it has four branches. First one is in first branch, which has resistance R1 and inductance L1. In second branch, it has variable resistance R2 and variable inductance L2, where R3 and R4 are our standard resistance. In this bridge, we use AC supply. When we on the supply, current I is flowing in the circuit, which is divided in four parts: I1, I2, I3 and I4. Okay? At balance condition, voltage drop of each branch are equal. Then we can compare the impedance of each branch, and with the help of this, we can find out the value of unknown inductance L1. Now we use balance condition. In balance condition, the voltage drops of all four branches are equal. Hence, we can compare our impedance. At balance condition, we use equation Z1 equal to Z4 is equal to Z2 plus Z2 multiplied Z2. Now we can find the value of Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. Z1 is equal to R1 plus j omega L1, where Z2 it has resistance R2 plus it has inductance L2, but the internal resistance of L2 is R2. Hence we get R2 plus j omega L2. ठीक है? Z3 is equal to R3, Z4 is equal to R4. Now we can put all these impedance in our equation, balance condition equation. ठीक है? R1 plus j omega L1 into R4 R2 plus R2 plus j omega L2 multiply by R3. ठीक है? Now we can multiply all resistance with R1 R4 plus j omega L1 R4 is equal to R2 plus R2 into R3 plus j omega L2 into R3. ठीक है? In this equation, we can see it has two parts. First one is real part and second one is imaginary part. Now we can compare our real and imaginary parts. Then we can compare real and imaginary parts separately. Real and imaginary part. First one we compare real part, then we get R1 R4 is equal to R2 plus R2 into R3, and then we get R1 is equal to R2 plus R2 upon R3 upon R4. This is our equation number 1. Now we compare imaginary part at both sides, then we get j omega L1 into R4 is equal to j omega L2 into R3. Now we can cut j omega to j omega and we get the value of L1 is equal to L2 R3 upon R4. This is our equation number 2. With the help of this equation 2, we can find out the value of unknown inductance L1. With the help of this bridge, we can find out the value of unknown inductance L1. Thank you.